Yo, what up, my traders? Back with you with episode 2 of my small Forex account. And I know I said I was back last video and taking about 5-6 days to make this video, but I got into some Forex shenanigans, man. A lot of Forex shenanigans. Stay tuned for the video. Yo, what up, my traders? Back at you with another Forex video. This is going to be more of a recap video. I'm done trading for the day. And a lot of bull crap happened to me, man, as you heard in the intro, man. I was with one broker. Spreads was so crazy high that I had a sell limit, and I had it on there like all day long. It was a sell limit, waiting for the market to come to me, right? So towards like 4 or 5 o'clock, you know, the spreads get larger, like 300, 400 spreads, whatever, at least with my broker. And it failed me, man. The price was like, I had a sell limit, so that means you want to sell up top, right? So you're waiting for price to come back to hit your order. Price was like way below like my sell limit. It didn't, the price has not retraced back for me to sell, right? It didn't trace back, and the damn thing filled me. Like it was crazy. So I got filled because it was a 345 pip spread. So I got filled, and it's crazy. I had a take profit and a stop loss on this trade. I got filled and I got taken out kind of like at the same time, man. It was crazy. So I went to another broker. I withdrew my money. I lost like $25 total on that account. I withdrew the money. Now I went to another broker, Hanko Trade, right? So signed up with them. I deposited. They said a minimum of $10. I put 75 in there. I think 75 is something like that. And they just said they never got. They just said they never got the deposit. They said I deposited wrong. They never got it. So that's $75 down the drain because I did all that with Bitcoin and through Cash App, so that money's gone. So anyway, so now I'm back with Hugo's Way, but I'm trading off Trading Views. I can do more stuff, and I do apologize for my screen. I know you guys see all these lines here, but it's a new strategy that I just learned, and I'm implementing it now, and I have a green day. It's pretty good, and I'm actually currently in the trade right now, AUD USD, and I'm long here, and I'm looking to go short up here. So anyway, let me take these off. I'm gonna just hide all this stuff. So actually no. So I'm gonna give you a quick recap of my trades. We on AUSD, and I'm currently in the trade now. And I use 0.01 pips today because I just didn't really want to risk too much today. So anyway, first trade on AUSD was sometime in like early in the morning. I had a limit. Like I saw this little. My strategy is demand and supply zone. So in the Forex world, these zones are like respected, you know, and you got to know market structure and all that. So anyway, I took a trade off a bounce off this little zone here. This is a bigger supply zone, but this is a zone within a zone. But anyway, this is a big zone here. So I took this trade here, and I had to stop way down here. So, and it was a win. It took some time. I was asleep when I made this 10 pip win, but it took some time and I got the win, you know. And all I had was 0.01 lots. That's like $1. So right now I'm going with small lot size because I just want to just get some confidence building in this strategy, you know. I did take a couple of small losses on it, and it was like around here, but I was getting like chopped up and lost like 56 cents here, 40 cents here, something like that. But I just don't have it on there. It was too much of these risk reward profiles on here, so I didn't want to put it on there. So that was AUSD, got a win there. So let's go to my good trades I took today. I'm gonna show you Euro USD. I took a trade here, and I took a short here. Came to a little supply area, and I got out. Here. It actually went. I think I got out sooner than that, but it actually hit my target of 10 pips. But I think I got out with like 8 pips because I didn't like how it was wicking before this happened. But I got out because for one, this is a low supply. This is a structure here. This is a low, and this is like a low structure. So the support. And Euro USD doesn't move that much in pips, but if I would have saw that this was a demand zone here, which it was a demand zone, it kind of came down below it, and it tested this demand zone actually. I thought it would come down here, but this is probably like a 15-minute demand zone here, and it came down and tested this, and then you got this rip there. So that's my strategy. And when you can get the right demand zone, the right order block, the right supply block, man, price will react and go the other way. You know what I mean? And but you can't take all of them. You can't take all the order blocks. There's a certain way of how it looks. The price has to get to that order block a certain way before it be valid. You know what I mean? And then you want that order block to already show that it's a good order block. You know what I mean? Like it got to be like fresh supply. So anyway, that's Euro USD's quick trade, and then traded USD JP. This was simple strategy here. Order block, demand zone slide. I just wanted 16 pips. Got that, but look at this. Could have got all of this. So I could have got all of this here. That's like 30 pips, man. They like a day like this in the Forex world, man, and you got like 100 lots. That's $340 something, man. You know what I mean? Like that. And then you can double that, like in Forex, you can do a lot with Forex, man. In the Forex industry, there's a lot of people trade. There's a lot of leverage, and it seems like there's always volume. Not all the time, but there's a lot of volume. So that's a 16 pip win right there. And then GBJ. This is the stock that gave me a lot of my win. I only made like $6-7 today, $6. But yeah. Made $6. So I only took, that's like 10. I put $50 in this account. I made about 10% today. So I took this trade here. This was like early in the morning, late, like when the market opened yesterday. It came into a supply zone. I've been marked these areas out. It broke through. It kind of went. I don't know. I'm not gonna say how I got in there. I think it went up. I took it. I could have got a better entry. But anyway, look at this. Came down, hit my 11 pip part target, but I really could have captured really all of this. And I actually re-entered here, pushed up here. I re-entered here, caught this 17 pip move, and I thought that was done because it was coming to some demand zone. So I didn't. That's why, like where I took profit is I'm taking profit at structures at demand zones. You know what I mean? I'm expecting price to react there. So I took profit, but the way these candles are closing, this is strong momentum, right? So I should have kept it on. Should have held it. Here was a missed trade. I put it on here. I was just like, I don't want to take this trade, man. I was trying to set some rules. I took like 4 or 5 trades. Like I overtraded. I took like 8-10 trades a day. I overtraded. And here I was like, I don't want to take no trade no more. But when the setup comes, man, I need to just take the trade anyway, because look, this is a setup here. Now it was a 30 pip win right there. Came down to an order block, demand zone. See it right here? Tested it, boom. Tested it again, boom. Like I'm telling you, this is a nice strategy, man. Now it's coming to a supply area. And look, it's probably going to reverse and come back down here to this area. The Forex trades and ranges, man. Trades and ranges. So I'm still working on how to show you guys my trades on my phone, how to get a screen recorder on there. So yeah, I'm currently in this trade now. I'm losing right now. I'm losing this trade. Now, I have my stop right here. Now, I took this trade because, and I got to sell up here, but I took this long because of this order block here. Now, it kind of retraced it, so this might be a loser here, but it's only 6 pips, so it's only like 60 cents, not that much. This is a very small risk reward. So this might lose here because of all the wicks, and then when we got this order right here, right, it should have kept going up, and going to highs. But I'm gonna hold it because this is a whole order block here. This whole little red candle area is a whole demand zone, you can say. So I'm gonna hold it, and it may even reverse and come back up and hit my target. So it's not that bad of a loss. So whatever. If I lose on this trade, right now it's having struggle here at this support. But it's more than likely I will lose this trade if it's breaking this support level here with like a strong black candle, bearish pressure. See, I like that wick. I like that wick there. So we just need to see more wicks towards the bottom side and don't see it get stopped out. Don't need to get stopped out. I'm not gonna show this whole trade. It's gonna take forever, man. Think about this Forex, it does take forever. And yeah. So I'm trading with 0.01 lot size, and it just feel like I'm trading a demo account right now. So till I get confident with my on my trades. I had it set up on USD CHF. It actually came down to my setup. Actually, I was gonna take a buy here, but I canceled it because it took too long. So, and kind of done trading, man. I'm kind of USD GPay. USD is giving another another run look like. Look at euro. So the way these I want to take a buy here because this right here is an order block, but the way the candles are coming down, don't know if I really want to do that. Look at the 4 hour. Actually, I think I am gonna take that trade. So let's see. I'm gonna take the trade. And what I do is when I do take these trades, I don't mark it in. I don't do none of that. I just set limit orders. And I think I'm gonna do that on Euro USD. I have a limit order buy way down here, but it might not come there. Let's see if it comes down to right here, 105.995. All right, I'm gonna delete this. My bad, you guys. I'm trying to put an order in before the price gets to before the trade gets there. Try to do a buy limit at 105.995. Just put the order in. Dang. All right. So I'm in that 105.995. Hopefully I get filled. About to get filled. Couple more pips and I get filled this order block. And then what I do is I put a stop. I get this little thing out right here. I already showed y'all that, so we can remove that. Get my long position right. Oh, wait a minute. Go to the settings. I got it at I'm trying to get at 105.995. Something like that. And then we just gonna target the highs. And I'm just gonna target this order block here. Like, look at that. This is a 2-to-1 risk reward. Something like this. I'm risking 6 pips to make 14. So I hope I'm in this trade, man. I don't think I got filled because the freaking spread's so wide. So this might start going without me, but I don't think I got filled. I don't think I got filled this trade. Yeah, it might bounce without me, you guys. So, but it's still out there. You know what I'm saying? It can do this right here and come back. 105.926, and then we're gonna take profit at 106.141, and that's it. That's the trade, man. And that's what I do like about Forex. You don't gotta sit there in front of the cameras. In front of the chart all day long. You know, if you wanna do something else, you can, and you can trade 3 o'clock in the morning. Like I was up at 5, 6 o'clock in the morning when I made those GJ trades, those GU trades, and that was cool. So. Thank you guys for watching, man. It's Money Games. I got some trades out there. Hopefully, I can make like $10 a day or something. So, yep. Thank you guys for watching.